It is, of course, Wyndham Week. The Wyndham Championship returns to Sedgefield Country Club. The world's best golfers will be here in Greensboro, along with thousands of fans walking the course. Chances are you or someone you know loves golf. You want to make sure everyone stays healthy, whether they're in the game or whether they're walking to the game. To help you do that, we have Susan Laney here, a manager of health and fitness with Cone Health, Sagewell Health and Fitness. And she's talking all things about maintaining your health. All right, so with every sport, there's a different kind of health benefit. What are the health benefits to playing golf?
With playing golf, golf really encompasses so many of the aspects of health and physical fitness. One of the first would be cardiovascular fitness. So if you are looking at playing 18 holes, you need that heart strength to be able to walk, carry the bag, in addition to maybe push the cart. So you're looking at heart health, which then can improve your blood pressure, lower it, and even cholesterol levels. Golf also requires muscular endurance and muscular strength and power. So you're looking at different dimensions of muscular work across the course of training for golf, and flexibility, because you need that mobility through your hips and through your torso, in addition through your shoulders and even your neck to be able to have good follow through.
That's right, you got to have that good swing. All right, with every sport, of course, there's always some kind of related injury that happens to that sport versus other sports. What are the main golf related injuries that we need to be aware of?
So the golf-related injuries will really apply to, we look at the low back in addition to wrist, elbows, and shoulders. And a lot of the causes of that would come from overuse. So it's the repetitive motions, and it's really to understand what good pain is versus bad pain. Good pain is going to feel like, okay, I've been out on the golf course for 2.5, 3 hours that next day, where you feel a little muscle soreness. On the flip side, that bad pain is that nagging injury, in addition to any impingements where you are highly uncomfortable. And that's where you would look at it as a red flag to be able to see your physician.
Mm-hmm. And we've heard this, you know, anytime we watch golf or anything like that, we hear of golfers who are sidelined because of injuries related to their golf swing. Of course, that can happen to the folks who are not, you know, the professionals. So how do we prevent the injuries related to our golf swing?
So injury prevention is, there's going to be multiple aspects regarding that. And part of that is to really have a good understanding of what your swing is like, in addition to your posture. So incorrect posture and poor body mechanics in terms of hunching over the ball, in terms of what you're doing from your leg power, through your low back, through your torso, through your upper body. And if you've been golfing a long time, you've established movement patterns that you're used to. And sometimes it's seeking the help of a coach or maybe a movement analysis to take a good look at what's happening, and then you retraining your body to move in correct patterns for your body, because our bodies are all different.
Okay. All right. I'm hoping that my dad is watching this specific question right now. We're going to talk about warming up and stretching before you head to the first tee. That is something he does not like to do.
Yeah. And that's typical of any sport, in addition to any fitness. That warm up is typically something that we will either avoid or quickly move through. And when you look at golf, and this is any level of golf, warm up is crucial. So it's going to help prepare the body and the mind. So from a body perspective, it's increasing blood flow. It's just getting movements through your joints. In addition to that, it helps you get mentally focused. So it's a mental and visual game as well. Dynamic movements, even just moving through your swing, getting ready to be prepared for it. And it's something never ever to overlook.
And a little bit of stretching doesn't hurt.
Absolutely. Yes.